What you are hearing are thunderous rain clouds. Our Lady of the Assumption in beautiful Mecca. I took off the rain door, which waterproofs the camera, and plugged in the auxiliary mic. The microphones, there's 3 microphones in the camera, and they work great, but not at 30 kilometers an hour. I do have a foamy wind guard for the camera, kind of an imitation Wind Slayer, which is the brand name. At any rate, it's not a Wind Slayer, but same idea. And I didn't bring it. That would have been ideal. And earlier it was really hot, and the foamy case kind of protects the camera from the sun. This isn't anything I haven't recorded before, but it's particularly windy. It's probably going to rain. It wants to. I can feel drops of water. I'm gonna take a chance and take the highway. Well, I'm going 38 into a powerful headwind with light rain, so I don't feel too bad. Actually, it feels kind of nice. Let's see this guy go. Nothing sounds worse than a four-cylinder with no muffler. Well, I'm glad I wore my entourage. I think these are called flatline. Anyways, they dry quick. My Shimano flat shoes, flat pedal shoes, when they get wet, it can be a couple days before they're usable again. You can dump these entourages in a bucket of water, and the next morning they're ready to go. The only rain gear I brought with me, and I always carry it, is a cover for the helmet. So, of all the things that would stay dry in rain would be my head. There is some rationale to that. If you're comfortable, if your head's comfortable, the rest of you will feel better. Well, this was pretty successful. I'm really pleased with my Smart Sam tire that's in the back. It's 27 by 2.8, and it's a nice fat tire. It's happy. The day before yesterday I got a pinch flat on an adventure. Totally my fault, I'm sure of it. Well, maybe not. It was pretty firm. Gotta go.